Hello everyone, good morning, good evening, welcome to the session. So in today's session, I am going to create a process which is to create a new file in the file system. And for that, I'll be using disk legacy connector in the process, right? So what basically we are going to do is we'll be creating a message and we'll be writing that message into a file. For doing that, again, you need to create a process. So you need to go to your respective folder, click three dots, and then new component. Say the type is process, and click create. Right. So by default, it is as usual going to show you that start shape that configuration window. So you can select the start shape of no data. Click OK. Now we have to create a message. So we will use this message shape, drag and drop, right? So and provide the static message for now and click OK. So I have given here the comma separated data, right? You can connect this to this message shape, and now we have to create a file. So for that, you need to use disk legacy. We have two types of disk connectors here. So disk legacy and disk connector. So disk is little advanced with some advanced features. But for this scenario, I'm going to use this disk legacy, drag and drop, right? And then uh, you need to configure this particular shape. So it is saying that just provide the connection here. So we don't have any connection, and our requirement is to connect to the file system and create a new file. So we'll say here create a new connection, right? You can name it like connection. Sorry, I need to click again. So connection underscore, you know, demo file system, right? And then you need to enter the directory you want to connect uh, into that file system. So I will say dot data directory. Dot means the current directory. Current means this users account that or users home directory, right? So because this atom we are using here, that runtime we are using here, that's or the design time, that's totally from Boomi. So I right now I'm not able to see what is there what is there in the what is there in the file system. So assuming that I already have access to the user's home directory, right? So and in the home directory, we already know that there is a folder already called data folder. So we'll be providing the directory specification is this, and then we'll say save and close. We have to create a new file. So the action here should be sent. And then what kind of operation you want to uh, do. So here you can define the operation. And for this action, what operation means whether you have to create a unique file or you want to use this operation to apply on, append, overwrite if file exists. So you have different options over here. So based on that, based on your choice, you have to just uh, provide the uh, that configuration for this operation thing, right? So I have given here for this particular action, create unique file name if file exists, right? So we'll say save and close and say OK. Now I will do save again and let me connect this message shape to this connector shape. Now we have a complete process here, right? So let's say again, save and click test button to test it, right? Click OK. So we are in the execution window. Let's see what is happening. Right? So that execution, that process, the execution of the flow process completed successfully, and everywhere you can see this green, the background, right? So what has happened here? If you have to see that, right? So what is the input to this? So input to this, definitely the document coming from here, and that was the data, right? So if you could see, click this step source data and try to view this source, then you should have that data which was created by the message shape, right? And if you go to this connection data, then it will show you the file name that it has created. So see, in the operation, we had given like, create unique file if file exists, right? So what it has done, it has just created one file with this name, right? So when you will run it again, then that time again, one more file, but with different name, right? So let me exit from this execution window. Now we are back to build page, right? So this is what for this session I wanted to discuss how to create a process which can basically going to create a unique file and write some contents into that file. So thank you all. Uh, Thanks for joining. Again, we'll see you in the next session. Thank you.
Please follow, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon.